My Mobapad M12S just came in. If you guys don't know what this is, it's a Joycon controller for the Switch 2. It has TMR glide sticks, replaceable D-pad, 9-axis motion control, RGB lighting, mechanical buttons, power saving button, M1, M2 buttons, setting buttons, chat buttons. That's a lot of words. Before we test it out, let's see what comes with the box. That's a nice looking case. Quality feels good on the case. Comes with an instruction manual, placeable D-pad, a little Mobapad keychain. You can actually move the little analog sticks. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's actually see the Joy-Cons. Okay, these look pretty good. They feel pretty good. So I also ordered a charging grip for the Joy-Cons, but apparently they're out of stock right now and they'll ship it out as soon as they get the stock. So the cool thing about the charging grip for the Joy-Cons is that once you're done, you can put it back into the case, close it up, and on top of the case here you can see the hole. That's to feed a USB-C cable through, so you can charge the Joy-Cons while it's in the case here, fully protected, which is pretty cool. Has RGB lighting, is pretty cool. So for anyone who has the Switch 2, they probably know that the ergonomics for the Joy-Cons aren't that great. But it was a lot better after I attached these grip handles to them. But still, I just think the feedback for the buttons and everything and the analog sticks are just lacking. And that's the reason why I picked up these guys. Let's give it a try. So the Switch 2 picks these up right away, which is pretty awesome. You can immediately tell the difference that this makes compared to the original Joy-Cons. Feels a lot better on the hands for sure. They feel pretty good. The quality looks pretty nice. The magnets are really strong, so you don't have to worry about it falling. So I don't have the Nintendo Pro controllers, but I do have a PS5, and these feel as good, if not better, because of the mechanical buttons. They just feel really good to press, and the feedback is really great as well. So the trigger feels really nice to press. I really like how it feels. So the D-pad feels good as well. These controllers feel pretty good. It's definitely a step up from the original Joy-Cons for sure. These controllers are not bad at all. So the reason why I picked up these instead of the Nintendo Pro controllers is that I do like playing handheld most of the time. Nice to have the option that I can just snap it on and play handheld mode. And as well, I can remove them if I want to actually just dock this and just play on the TV or something. And they feel just as good as the PS5 controllers. It's the only reference I have. I can't say much about comparing these to the Pro controllers. So should you buy these, I definitely would if you don't already have the Pro controllers for the Switch 2. So these pretty much feel like having a full-size console controller for your handheld, which is pretty cool. So if you guys enjoyed this video of the Mobapad M12S, you can support and follow my content creation journey by liking and subscribing. Until the next one, peace.